Oh, shit.
He's got good run. Hey, just fucking shit, bro. Yeah, chill out, bro. Excuse me, do you know how to...
Bro, what the fuck is he doing, bro? What is he doing? What is he doing, bro?
Where's the McDonald's? Come on, just come on. Give me a hug, bro. Come on, bro. It's just my girlfriend's period vlog. Excuse me, you guys know how to get to... Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on. Excuse me, guys. Do you guys know where...
What the fuck is that? You gotta go. Get the fuck out.
You just got good run. Hey, just
fucking show, bro.
yeah, chill out, bro. Excuse me, guys. Do you know how to get to Hollywood Boulevard?
This is Hollywood Boulevard.
Oh, like the main one.
Oh, shit.
Shit, that's blood.
Sorry. I'm just. Nice to meet you. What?
Don't walk up close to him and smack the shit out you, bro.
Oh, we're filming a prank.
Oh, I'm like, all right, I'm like, bro, what's the fuck? Hell no, I'm like, this nigga started spitting. He got some new shit. That's even Corona. He got some.
Excuse me. Do you guys know how to get? Excuse me, boss. Excuse me. I was wondering. Do you know where? Excuse me. Please. Excuse me, guys. Do you guys know how to get to McDonald's?
Man, no, Chew, what's up? Hey, I already watched your videos. I gotta put you on Snap, man. You're a fucking beast. Can I put you on the Snap?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what was your name again, bro? Hold on.
Vitaly.
Vitaly, that's what it is.
I tried.
I just met Vitaly, guys.
That's right. Oh, look at this. Freaking
What
Corona.
the fuck,
My
man?
girlfriend's period. Oh, no. Do you know which way is Metro? Station at?
Straight this way.
Huh?
Straight this way.
Thank you.
It's gonna be on your right hand side.
Appreciate you. Corona, go. Excuse me, do you guys have Excuse me, do you guys have $5? Excuse me, guys. Do you know where McDonald's is? The nearest
Bro, get that Corona shit away.
What's up?
That Corona shit away.
It's not. It's just tuberculosis. It's not Corona. I promise you. Yeah, Vitaly, nice to meet you.
Nah, bro. Nah, go ahead on. Go ahead on.
Popeyes right there. You go to the water.
Excuse me, guys. Do you guys know how to get to? I'm just like. You know how to get to Hollywood Boulevard?
To what?
To a Chinese theater?
Oh no.
Oh, sorry. I'm just.
You're eating like a lot.
Hello.
How you doing today, buddy?
Hi. Hey, can I sing? Yeah?
You want a song?
No, just pause it. It's an improv. Sorry. Can't get Corona twice.
Oh shit, I hear ya.
Yeah. My blood.
Really?
Yeah. Tuberculosis.
That sucks.
That's all right. It's my 10th time getting it this year.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm Brian.
Vitaly. Nice to meet you. Or are you going to be a racist? Nope.
Really?
Nice to meet
Is that
you.
Kool-Aid? What is that? That's not blood. What is
Huh?
that? What is that?
Oh, it's fake blood. We're just shooting a prank.
Oh.
You guys are so funny. It's a capsule. It's syrup. Well, good shit, guys.
Thank you.
Enjoy it. Do you know how to get to Hollywood Boulevard?
Yeah, you okay?
Huh?
You okay? You bleeding? Oh, shit.
I'm just,
Hey, get away, bro. Get away, bro.
I just want to give you a hug, man.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Excuse me? Do you know what the Chinese theater is? Do you know what the... Do you know what the Chinese theater is?
Oh.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Do you know...
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good.
I'd like to get higher. How? Are you okay? Would you like your life touched by your choices?
I have Corona.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Is it contagious?
Yes.
Would you like to pray?
Yes.
Hold my fist. You are an Egyptian.
I'm an.
Say, repeat after me. I'm fat.
I'm fat.
I love it.
I love it.
I'm in LA.
I'm in LA.
Your first name.
Max.
Your middle name.
Gay.
Brielle. I'll show you a secret. Look at that. I also have corona. Look at this. You've got one daughter.
You just said you have corona? Let me give you a better
I
one.
have Modelo.
Modelo?
It's bankruptcy court for black people.
Oh.
What you have is white privilege. Now, I'm gonna diagnose you. Yes, diagnosis.
Lick it.
Diagnosis with the prognosis. So